Today is a very exciting day. Today I got a chimpanzee. His name is Cupcake. And the reason I named him that is because I can't see him hurting a fly at all. He's very, very friendly. And today, me and him is gonna give you some ASMR. Hope you guys like it. Let's start. Cupcake, why are you staring at me like that?